I wanted to show you this Let's Resin fast curing epoxy resin that I received from the company. I've been really into making different resin projects and I'm really happy with this. First of all, like the containers are so big, so I feel like I can make a lot of different products. It is definitely low odor comparative to other ones that I've used, which is important to me. It's really simple to do. You mix the A with the B. It gives all the instructions. It also comes with the cups so that you can measure it out properly, and then some mixing sticks to mix it up. I find that it cured quicker than other ones that I've used, and it came out like very crystal clear. This is definitely like a high quality resin product to purchase if you're getting into making crafts like this. I definitely recommend it. I would like to use a ton more and make a bunch of other things. You could see we went ahead and made some hair clips. We also made coasters and some other products. It's really fun. I definitely recommend this. Again, like it's a lower odor, which was important to me, and it cures quicker, which is also really fun. Definitely give this one a try.